ProofHub Task Manager Review. Watch before using. Most people struggle with project management because tools are either too simple or overly complex, but ProofHub aims to balance usability with robust functionality. ProofHub combines task management, time tracking, chat, and file sharing in one platform. One standout feature is its visual task boards, which allow teams to organize tasks by project, status, or priority. This keeps everyone aligned and reduces missed deadlines. Most people get this wrong. They assume all project management software is the same. The surprising truth is that ProofHub's customization options, like workflows, templates, and notifications, allow teams to adapt the platform to their unique processes without overcomplicating things. Another advantage is collaboration. Team members can comment on tasks, share files, and track progress in real time. The integrated calendar and reporting tools also make performance tracking easier for managers. However, there are considerations. ProofHub may feel overwhelming to very small teams with simple projects, and some advanced features are only in the paid plans. Integration with other tools can also be limited compared to enterprise platforms. In conclusion, ProofHub is a versatile task management solution for teams looking to stay organized, collaborate efficiently, and manage projects effectively. It's simple enough for daily use, but powerful enough for complex workflows. Subscribe for more honest project management reviews before choosing your next productivity tool.